Hey bird nerds, don't swipe away. Here is a trivia question most people don't know. When a wood thrush migrates, how many miles per day does it fly? Think about it for a while, and when you get your answer, leave it in the comments. If you can't guess it, comment with, "I'm stumped." In the meantime, enjoy these beautiful birds at my feeder on this beautiful Alabama morning. They really love it when I put water out for them along with their seed. Okay, here is the answer. Wood thrushes migrate long distances, flying over 300 miles a day. Now that's a long haul, isn't it? If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and follow or subscribe to my account. I'm a newer creator and doing this helps me tremendously. See you tomorrow, my friends.